Hi, I'm Carmen, beauty stylist expert and owner of the Grand Beauty Spa. I'm going to share with you some hair care tips for damaged hair. My model Bianca has very damaged, naturally curly, rebellious hair. So one of the first tips I would recommend is not shampooing every day. Shampooing maybe every second or third time helps to keep the oils of the hair. Naturally curly and dry hair tends to be very dry, so you want to let the natural oils of the hair live in the hair. So it's good not to shampoo every single day. Also, using a heavier mask for this type of hair, I would recommend Kerastase Nutrithermique hair mask. It's her very dry, sensitized hair. So she has the perfect hair texture and dry, damaged hair for this type of mask. I would recommend applying it in her hair and leaving it on for 5 to 10 minutes with some heat. Either the heat of the shower, the steam of the shower is excellent for helping these masks penetrate into the hair. Another tip for damaged hair, once you've shampooed and conditioned your hair, it's really great to put a nourishing oil or leave-in conditioner. So my recommendation would be this Shea Moira Essence Oil. It's a nourishing oil that penetrates into the hair, conditions it, nourishes it, leaves it feeling pleasantly soft and luxurious. You want to rub it through the hands and start working it through the ends and work your way up the strands of the hair. This oil provides intense nutrition to the hair. It has camellia oil in it and is great for frizz and for damaged ends, and can be reapplied on dry hair the next day and the next day and never weighing the hair down. These products can be found at the Grand Beauty Spa. You can visit our website at grandbeautyspa.com. These are just a few tips for taking care of your dry, damaged hair. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Carmen.